So pretty basically, the rantings of Jesse continue. You know what I hate? What is bothering me today? Is when everything just like points to all sides going bad that day. Like, for instance, you went to a friend's house before and you forgot something that you had to take that night and you totally just forgot. Didn't work out. So now you have to take two the next day. Okay? Anyways. So then you come home, you take a shower, start getting dressed, and then you have like this ingenious idea of what you want to wear. Right? Yeah, everybody has that. They all know what they want to wear. So then you go to find that certain shirt that you just dying so much to wear. Find out it's dirty. So you start the wash. Keeping in mind that you've already taken a shower. So it's kind of a little cold and there's snow outside. Obviously it's winter. Anyways. So you spend 2 hours trying to freaking wash that shirt and dry that shirt when it still isn't dry. Then you realize you left all your makeup at your friend's house. And so pretty basically you're stuck with no clothes, looking like shit. And then to top everything off, you're just bored out of your mind. It's pretty gay, really. Alright, well, this has been a continued episode of The Rantings of Jesse. See you later. Bye.